First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, the focus is going to be more about the bitter cold that's about to hit us. Unseasonably cold air coming down from the provinces of Canada, and it's going to settle in here for much of the southeastern United States for several days. That's the bigger story, more than the snow chances that we're looking at. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. All is clear this morning, and it's a chilly start, but not as cold as it's going to get. 30, the current temperature right now. High temperatures today around the hometown forecast. And today, the hometown forecast goes to the Barren River Lake area. And there you see the high temperatures back into the mid-60s. That's going to be the last time we see that for Bowling Green for much of the rest of the week. 65 here today, and Glasgow, maybe 66, Scottsville and Franklin. By the way, the Powerball jackpot now estimated to be at $110 million for the Wednesday night drawing, while the Mega Millions next drawing estimated to be at $132 million. We're starting out clear this morning, but we'll see increasing clouds during the day. But this morning with the clear sky, high pressure overhead, that's allowed temperatures to drop, say as chilly as 26 down in Burkesville this morning. There's a couple of 29s for Campbellsville and Columbia, 29 E-Town and Hardinsburg and Litchfield. Everybody else starting to see 30s now, even some mid and upper 30s as we go through the morning to the west. Here is a look at some of those clouds live on our Doppler cam this morning. Sun is about to come up, and that mainly clear sky, and then the high clouds and mid-level clouds will start to roll in as we go through the day. 30 degrees, current temperature in Bowling Green with the winds calm and our rising barometer just ahead of our next system, which will bring it back down, of course. Russellville, you're starting out in Logan County this morning with a temperature of 30 degrees in Logan County with a clear sky. Greenville, well, you're beginning to see some of those mid and high level clouds now in Muhlenberg County. Your temperature is at 31 at this hour. Mammoth Cave National Park seeing some of those clouds, but all otherwise mainly clear, and your temperature is at 32 degrees. And from the Bowling Green Airport, as we get ready for the sunrise, things look pretty good on Scottsville Road with a temperature of 30 degrees. It's 30 at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour, 20s off to the north and east of us, 40s, nearly 50. Back at Kansas City, Springfield, Missouri, this is that punch of warm air that we'll feel today just before the cold front arrives late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Right now, we're 7 degrees colder than we were yesterday at this hour. But from Peoria to St. Louis, Springfield, Kansas City, Des Moines, Wichita, all warming up just ahead of the main system, and that system is already showing signs of some moisture gathering with it. Off to the north of us, you can see a line of showers and then snow showers, even a little bit of instability there ahead of the system in St. Louis, but it's going to be late tonight before the front moves in. It's a very fast moving front. So we'll see an increase in clouds as we go through the afternoon, and then about midnight or so, we should begin to see the front move through. The winds will shift from the south-southwest to the west-northwest, and then we'll see a period of light rain, a very chilly rain, mixing with or changing over to some light snow. But again, we're only calling for accumulation on grassy areas, maybe some rooftops. The wind's going to keep this thing blowing around, so it's a fast-moving system, not a lot of moisture with it, so we're not calling for accumulation. Although there could be some slick spots tomorrow morning. That's something that we'll monitor and watch, but it's the bigger story here is this Arctic blast of air that tomorrow is only going to make our high temperatures reach, in some cases, the upper 30s to only near 40 degrees, and then lows will dip down into the low 20s, possibly even the upper teens in a few areas by early Wednesday morning. So get prepared for it if you haven't prepared your pipes, your car, other things that you need to winterize. It's a little bit early, but here it comes. Increasing clouds today and warmer, 65, but then tonight, breezy and turning colder, rain changing over to or mixing with some light snow during the overnight hours, 35. Tomorrow, only near 40 for a high, some snow showers or flurries in the morning, then gradual clearing down to 25, maybe even colder than that early Wednesday morning, and that cold blast will continue through the first part of the week, but then we'll warm it up toward the weekend. And rain chances return Saturday night and during the day on Sunday.